Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute peg with a paper flower. We will need a wooden peg, a punch in form of flower, and if you don't have it you can draw and trace your flower and then cut with a pair of scissors, and then something, a bead or something different to glue in the center of the flower. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute peg. We will need a piece of glitter paper, and then we will cut, we will punch two flower. First one, this is an old punch, so it's not easy. Sorry, but I had to punch 2 times my paper flower, and my punch is quite old, and then it has some problems sometimes. Okay, now we will have our 2 paper flowers, and then we will round the border of the petals with a brush like this one. We will curl up our border, and the same for the second paper flower. Voila. And now we will glue our flowers to our peg here in this way, and we will glue the second flower. Voila, in this way. Press down, and then leave it to dry, and then after that we will need to glue our bead. This is an acrylic bead that I bought on a €1 shop. Voila, our mini peg. Leave it to dry, and then you will have your super cute peg that you can use as a gift idea. You can create 6 different peg with 6 different flowers, and then put in a great gift package, and then it's a quite nice idea to give or for yourself. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.